This is a Dusty Rose Casablanca Delta 2 from 1986. Even though it has the 1987 to 1995 style downrod, this is from 1986, as seen here. Pre-catalog release. The flywheel, or the housing assembly, is shifted this way a little bit, so the flywheel looks like it's off kilter. I just have to adjust this a little bit and it'll be fine, but it runs for now. The switch housing is very slightly bent in that direction from shipping. Point tip, Dusty Rose blades with gloss. Paint's cracking a little bit. And they're a little bit lighter than the actual fan. But yeah, both of those are relatively easy fixes. Definitely not a preferred finish of mine. I'm not a fan of pink. It's of a duller pink, not like a hot pink, so that's nice. Canopy hang true is hiding behind that box right there. This has a standard Emerson K55 motor in it, as opposed to an Asterson stack motor, which is what the norm was for Slumber 3 fans from around 1984 to 1986 or 7. This was made in the middle of 1986. At least I think, the beginning or middle of it. And what's strange about that is because Decorator Mauve was only offered for 1 year, 1986. So it makes me wonder if this was discontinued or was planning on being discontinued, Decorator Mauve, in the middle of 86, and they were tinkering around with this finish because this Dusty Rose, this succeeded Decorator Mauve. Debuted in 87. I guess the low sales of Decorator Mauve showed in their sales reports in the middle of the year. Or the beginning of the year, and they decided to toy around with new finishes. Or I'm thinking about this way too hard and they were thinking about adding this finish anyway, and Decorator Mauve being discontinued is completely unrelated to the debut of Dusty Rose. One of the blades is a bit out of clock, but that's okay. Again, that's another easy fix, but I'm not concerned about it. And there you go. That is a Casablanca Delta 2 in Dusty Rose.